The Earth is in crisis, and it's not a drill. Scientists have issued a dire warning. Our planet has crossed a critical threshold with the collapse of warm water coral reefs, marking the first major climate tipping point. This isn't just about colorful underwater ecosystems, it's a wake-up call for humanity. The Global Tipping Points report, released by the University of Exeter, reveals that coral reefs, a lifeline for 1 billion people, are in an irreversible decline. This decline is happening even as we speak, and it's not just the reefs. The report suggests that if we don't act fast, we're looking at a future with melting ice sheets, collapsing ocean currents, and a dying Amazon rainforest. Yes, it's that serious. But here's where it gets controversial. Even if we manage to stabilize temperatures at 1.5 C above pre-industrial levels, over 99% of warm water reefs are still projected to disappear. This means we need to aim lower, towards 1 C, which is a monumental task. The report, a collaboration of 160 scientists from around the globe, urges immediate action. It argues that incremental changes won't cut it anymore. We need to accelerate emission cuts, remove carbon on a massive scale, and push for positive tipping points like the widespread adoption of clean technologies. Interestingly, some sectors are already experiencing their own positive tipping points. Solar and wind power, electric vehicles, and battery storage are booming thanks to market forces. But is this enough? The report suggests we need to focus on super leverage points to create a domino effect of change. Dr. Mike Barrett from WWF UK paints a stark picture. The loss of warm water coral reefs is a tragedy, but it's just the beginning. If we don't act, the Amazon, the ice sheets, and vital ocean currents could be next. And this is the part most people miss. The Amazon's fate might be in our hands, hinging on social tipping points like indigenous governance and land restoration. The report also highlights the Atlantic Ocean's key current system, which could collapse below 2 degrees Celsius, leading to extreme weather events worldwide. Imagine Edinburgh at minus 30 degrees Celsius and London frozen for 3 months. This isn't science fiction. It's a potential reality. So what now? The report emphasizes the need to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius in the coming years. Every degree and year matter. With temperatures already hitting 1.5 degrees Celsius last year, the challenge is immense, but not impossible. Experts suggest institutional reforms and innovative approaches to tackle these tipping points. Dr. Manana Milkereed advocates for front-loaded mitigation to minimize peak temperatures. Meanwhile, Brazil's André Correia do Lago sees hope in the report, believing we can still choose a safer, more equitable future. In conclusion, this report is a call to action. It's time to tip the scales in our favor and turn these climate threats into opportunities for positive change. Will we rise to the challenge? The world is watching, and the future hangs in the balance.